I told you that I fall, I like the way you say my name. My heart skips a beat when I hear you calling. And I like that you won't go away. But never mind, don't wanna give you any trouble. Never mind, never mind. I'm okay with being by your side for as long as I can hide. What if I told you that I've fallen?
Ogi rin.
Wala. Thank you.
Ayan.
Shake out through my chest. I'll make you breakfast every morning and pick you up when you're a mess. I know that it won't ever stop. You know I'll be there when you call me, whether you like it or not. Without a warning, now I'm falling for this picture on my phone. But don't mind me, I'm just falling. I'll get back up on my own. Please don't say my name. Help me put out this flame. I'd rather hold on to this feeling that you don't even believe in. What if I told you that I've fallen?
To my husband-to-be, kindly receive this letter gift. Please claim your gift, 63 blocks and max set in Riders Moto. Hey!
Love, baby, and now wife. Tanggapin mo ang bag na ito na sumisimbolo. Paninimula bilang mag-asawa ating dalak. Wow!
Never mind, never mind, never mind. Never mind, never mind, never mind. Never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. Never
Baby, pangako na palagi kitang susuportahan sa lahat ng bagay at pipiliin sa bawat araw na dadaan. Pangako na palagi kitang mamahalin at magiging priority ko kayo ng ating pamilya.
Hi loves, baby. Today is yung araw na pinaka-iintay natin. I never thought that we'd end up together kasi magkaiba tayo ng personalities. Thank you for staying even if yung situation natin ay hindi madali. And also, thank you for reminding me that love is a choice you make over and over again.
Pangako na palagi kitang iingatan at poprotektahan sa lahat ng bagay. Mananatili ako sa iyo at paulit-ulit kitang pipiliin dahil ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit ako nagmamahal.
It has been a long journey and still can't wait to live the rest of my life with you and Zoe.
Basta, best wishes. Basta, pagbutihin mo lang. Second chapter na to ng buhay mo bilang may asawa. Basta, nandito lang kami ni Papa.
Bilang isang magulang, kami ay laging nakasuporta sa iyo kailanman. Sa pondo sa pulyon.
Ma, gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng naging sakripisyo nyo sa akin mula nung bata.
Salamat!
Hindi man kita mahal araw-araw, pero pipiliin kita sa araw-araw. Even sa days na super hirap nang maintindihan, I will still choose you.
Sa harap ng Panginoong Diyos, nangangako akong mamahalin at aalagaan kita hako'y nabubuhay. Sa haba-haba ng ating pinagdaanan, nandito na tayo ngayon. Sa wakas, baby, tayo ay iisa na.
Ipagdasal si Christian, si Marie, meron ng Princess Zoe para itong tipan, covenant, maging matatag.